Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the OHealth application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we need to open the OHealth application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, by default, when you open it, you will see the health page, and what you need to do is to type on devices icon, and here you will see your OnePlus Watch 2, and on this page find the option called watch faces, and once you find it, tap on it and it will open the watch face store. And here we have different categories of watch faces. As you can see, we have workouts, life, metal and stuff like that. Find the category you like. Once you find it, tap on the arrow next to it to open the whole category. Find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it and then tap on apply. It's gonna start downloading, and once it's done, it's gonna be applied on your watch. As you can see, the watch face was applied. You can also check the list of watch faces installed on your watch by going back to the store of the watch faces, the main page. Tap on my faces here, and this will open the list of watch faces installed, and you can basically select from them, tap on set as watch face to apply it like this. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.